Hey, what's going on, everybody? Thank you for tuning into another JD channel video, in which today we're at a local pick and pull to go try look for some seats for the E46 and maybe some other parts. Let's take a look at what we find and hopefully you enjoy. I got my toolbox. Go head on in. We got some builders. Let's see what we got here. Super wagon. Let's take a look inside. Alright, ooh, 5-speed. See here. It doesn't run. Dang, that's sad. I want to take a look at that. 300ZX. 5-speed. Let's get in. Let's see here. Does this thing run? Yeah, it smells old. How many miles? Ooh, you're a Forester. I remember I took a look at that. That's automatic. Don't know what this thing's doing here. Yeah, alright. So we got that. Buddy TT. Mazda 3. Celico to action package. It's not too interesting for builders. Today's the last day of their like $15 sale on seats. Depending on the store, might even include headrests in a separate price. So let's take a look at what we got. 46. 10 interior. Not too great. Let's take a look at this car right here. This has a sport interior, 330. So hopefully nobody took the seat since last time I've been here. Cool, seat's still here. So the way to take this out, there's 4 16s. So you got 1, 2. This is gonna be interesting. I'm gonna try to figure out how to get this out. Hopefully the back's open. Nope. Oh, this is gonna be very interesting. Oh, broken glass. 3, 4. There's 4, 1 in each corner. Steering wheel. I don't know why somebody took the airbag, but not the wheel. Let's see if I can get this out. Things you don't see very often. That's all K230. And the 1 Series, that's pretty much picked clean. Couldn't get the seats out of that car. Let me see if I can find another one with gray seats. 39. There's a few of those here, and them crushing cars next door. That's kind of sad. E39 with the base interior. Huh, this is blocked off. I wonder why. E39 in that corner. This won't fit in my car, but I figure I'd take a look at it. Ooh. Sport seats. It's a Prius. That's surprising. Probably lost his cat. It's a Prius at the junkyard. That's really surprising. Really bright eagle talon. You don't see that every day. At least I think it's an eagle. Is it an eagle or is it a... Yeah, black roof. It has to be an eagle. Yep, eagle talon. Is this... Wonder what model this is. Well, I guess there's no differential in the back, so I don't know if the all-wheel drive had it, but that one doesn't. So. Let's see, looking for an Integra now. It sucks, I couldn't find the seat I wanted. Civics. Oh. This is a 20 AE. Let me check. Has a lip. Oh, it is a 20 AE. Oh, that's sad. Let's see. 20 AE leather, 5-speed. Oh, this makes me sad. And this makes me sad. What sets this apart from your standard Maxima is, of course, it has Bilstein's. It has the ground effects kit, which I'm trying to take off, but it's glued on. So I guess I gotta come back with my pry bar. Ground effects kit all the way around. And the darkened headlights. And then the other thing that makes it special is in 5-speed form. It comes with the polished pedals and a limited slip gearbox with the, what do you call that thing? The Bose sound system. See, gauges are supposed to be silvery and they are different than the one my stepson has. Leather interior, Bilsteins. So even if it just got here for that, that's sad that it got put here. I want this kit, but it's gonna take me forever to get it. This has an additional, what, 5 horsepower from this exhaust. I don't see any difference, but you guys tell me what else is different on this. But I want parts off it, so I got the valve cover, which is also different. And I'll come back for the rest of the stuff. Well, that kind of sucks. Couldn't take out the seat for the 46, so that pick and pull visit was a bust. But at least I see maybe I can pick some parts off that Maxima. I need to bring my pry bar and maybe some glue gun. Looks like valences are usually around 13 bucks, so I look forward to that. But it was fun. So thank you for tuning into another JD channel video. Take care and have a wonderful day.